Welcome to the Weidmüller stand in Hanover. You know us already as a manufacturer and supplier of reliable connectors. Today, I will show you that we serve on the same level in the field of renewable energies, from the roof to the cellar to the garage. Come along. On the roof, there are the PV panels. We love to connect them with each other and, of course, with our PV Next boxes. We prefer to do this with our PV connector, which is also on the inverter on the DC side. On the AC side, we have our 5-pole connector and offer all data interfaces that can be used there. From there, in most cases, we move towards the basement of the house where we have the battery storage. For this, we offer our single-pole connector in 120 amps and 200 amps, of course color-coded and with protection against accidental contact. Weidmüller can go quite classically via the RJ45. If it has to be a maximum of robustness, M12 is the best choice, and also the new SPE interfaces can serve the important data. The electricity that is stored here can then be charged into the car via our wall box and by our connector. For all further information, please visit our website. We look forward to seeing you.